up YouTube? It's your girl Dom back with another makeup tutorial. In this video we are inspired by the Lisa Frank Colorful Notebook back in the 90s. I decided to do a rainbow cheetah eyeshadow look, and it is an extended cut crease. I really love this look. It was really fun. I would actually do this again. I might start a whole like cheetah series. I don't know. I'm like obsessed right now. But like I said, this look is super cute. It was super fun, and I'm really happy with the way this came out. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into this look. But first, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. You drop a like and you leave a comment. All right, let's go ahead and jump into this look.
Have you guys supported a small business today? If not, let me present you with the best opportunity. Go ahead and Google shoplushlegacy.com. That's your girl's website. I have all of your beauty needs in stock. Sugar scrubs, body butters, lip glosses, glitters, neon pigment, anything you need, your girl has got you. I got the cheapest prices around town, the fastest shipping with a guaranteed satisfaction. Go ahead, check me out. Drop a like, follow me on social media, Twitter and Instagram. And for my first time users, use Lush10 for 10% off of your first purchase. What's up, fam? Let's go ahead and jump into this look. We're doing our cut crease series again, where we're doing animal print. Starting out with our concealer, Infallible by L'Oreal Paris. Jesus, I can't speak today. Go ahead and add a little bit of product, and you're gonna go ahead and start to block out the shape of your cut crease. Remember, we're not adding any pigment on top of the cut crease. We're only doing the cut crease. We need sharp lines and crisp wings.
Dr. Gonz on the beat, yeah.
Remember, in the last animal print video, I went ahead and added a bunch of white to the base. This time I'm not going to do that. We're going to go ahead and jump into our neon pigment. This is Electric Poppy by Lush Legacy, and this is going to be the first color in our animal print base. So it's going to go pink in the inner corners. We're gonna switch into another color, switch into another color, one more color, and then we're gonna add the animal print. But first, let's not get up ahead of ourselves. Go ahead and just add the pink. Next, we're adding our neon pigment. This is Iconic. Again, this is by Lush Legacy. And we're going to try really hard, and we're going to take our time and explore all of our patience while we try to blend this green with this pink. Okay, they are not next to each other on the color wheel, so it is very difficult, but with patience and perfect blending technique, you can do this. When you're adding your green, try not to push it too far out because you still have 2 more colors that you need to get into this eye space. Next, we're jumping into our Blazin Orange, another Lush Legacy neon pigment. And again, you're gonna try and explore all of your patience when you're blending this orange with this green because it will look very mucky. Because they're just so different in colors. But like I said, with the perfect blending technique, you guys can get this down pat. Just take your time and be very thoughtful when you're placing your pigment. Don't push this orange all the way out to the wing because you still need to add that yellow in there. Okay, so now we're gonna add our last color. This is Chaos, again by Lush Legacy, and this is gonna be the corner in that outmost corner right there to that very tip. Yes, this one is a lot easier to blend because orange and yellow blend very nicely, so we won't have any problems there. Now, as you guys can see, I didn't really do too much blending right now. I kind of just wanted to get the spacing down pat, but I'm going to go ahead and start blending the second time around before I start to add my cheetah print or leopard print, the big cat, whichever it is.
Dr. Gonz on the beat, yeah.
Now we're going to go ahead and start to draw in our animal print. I am using the E.L.F. liquid black eyeliner. You can use any black highlighter you want. I mean, any color really. Now I'm going to go ahead and start making my blobs. I'm trying to make like little C shapes or rounded V shapes, if that makes sense, or like triangles that aren't 100% closed off on that third leg. And that's really going to help make this look like cheetah or leopard. I can't really tell the difference because their patterns are so similar. Just make sure that your blobs are irregular and they're not identical because then it loses the realisticness in the animal print. Again, take your time when you're doing this. Try not to make everything look exactly symmetrical. You just want your blobs to look very random. Have them in different areas, different directions, different shapes, different endings and stuff like that. Now, once you go ahead and do that, we're jumping into our lashes. Lush Legacy lashes as always. And this time we're using our 25mm Minks. We're using the style Roxy. This look is looking absolutely gorgeous. Like, tell me that's not popping. Tell me that's not popping. Lisa Frank would be proud. I got you, girl. So, we're going to go ahead and continue this look, right? Jumping into our pencil liner, this is the LA Girls Basic Black Liner. You can use any liner that you want, and we're going to be putting this on our waterline just so we can make our eyes really pop. Like, I've tried the white eyeliner, it doesn't look good on me, so I'll just stick with my basic black.
Dr. Gonz on the beat, yeah.
Now we're going to go ahead and add our highlighter. This is the Kiss Professional Shimmer Palette in the shade Peachy. And I'm adding this to the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose. This is new. I'm trying to incorporate this now. And then we're going to add it to our brow bone like we always do. Already this look is looking poppin'. Like I don't even need lips. Girl, what? We poppin'. Now we're going to go ahead and do our inner wing. I chose specifically not to do the highlight because I'm trying to pay homage to the big cat. So go ahead and fill out that inner wing so you can really be snazzy. Now for the lip, I'm going very simple. I'm using my glitter gloss in the shade Vegas. It is a holographic clear glitter. I didn't want to add any color because I feel like I already had a lot, and adding anything to the lip would take away from it, so we went with a clear glitter gloss. This look is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I am really feeling this animal print. Like, this is probably one of my favorite looks. Please let me know what you guys think about this look in the comments. Please try this out. Let me know how it came out. Alright y'all, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.